Now, you know I couldn't let the day go by. Today is April 4th, the 4-4 portal. And if you feel like the universe is suddenly demanding a background check and a credit score for your dreams, there is a very structural reason for it, trust me. I'm calling today's theme the Foundation Checkup. While we've spent the last few weeks in Aries season acting like caffeinated toddlers with matches, the 4-4 portal is the audit in the room. In numerology, 4 is a number of stability, the 4 corners of a house, and the emperor energy of the tarot. It's the universe asking, that manifesto you wrote, does it have a roof or is it just a vibe? Today is about taking those high-flying sovereign ideas and actually pouring the concrete. We aren't just dreaming about the temple anymore, my loves. We're checking the plumbing and the electrical. The vibe today is lovingly sarcastic. The universe is basically saying, I love that you want a soul-level, earth-shattering love, but have you cleaned your baseboards lately? Discipline isn't a dirty word today. It's the secret sauce. Here's the shadow. There's always a shadow. Being so rigid that you turn into a gargoyle. Don't let the structure kill the spirit. Here's the gift. Realizing that when you build on a solid foundation, you don't have to worry about the storms of the past knocking on your door anymore. Love that for us. Now listen for your sun, your moon, your rising, and your Venus to see how each sign can build their empire. Aries, it affects your first house, the me project. The portal is hitting your identity. You need to focus on not being a work in progress anymore and start being a finished product. Harness this by committing to one physical ritual that screams, I am the boss. Taurus is hitting your 12th house, the closet cleanup. The structure is in your subconscious. Focus on mental health blueprints. Stop letting your old traumas run the HOA of your mind. Harness this by writing down the 4 ghosts you are officially evicting today. Gemini is hitting your 11th house, the squad standards. The portal is in your community. Focus on your social circles. Are they pillars or pebbles? Harness this by distancing yourself from the flaky ones and solidifying your power tribe. Cancer is hitting your 10th house, the CEO energy. This is hitting the top of your chart. Focus on career authority. Stop asking, can I, and start asking, I am. Harness this by updating your sovereign title, your literal title or your figurative title, and acting like you own the building. Leo is hitting your 9th house, the truth board. The light is in your belief systems. Focus on wisdom and expansion. Harness this by turning your philosophy into a practice. If you believe in abundance, go do one thing that proves you trust the universe. Virgo is hitting your 8th house, the deep audit. This is spicy and structural. It's in your intimacy house. Focus on shared resources. Harness this by having the audit talk about boundaries and money. Stop being vague about what you need in the bedroom or in the bank. Libra is hitting your 7th house, the other pillar. This is specifically for me. It's in your partnership house. Focus on the frame for your love. Harness this by defining the 4 non-negotiables for your future partner. The portal is helping you build the temple that they're going to worship in. Scorpio is hitting your 6th house, the engine room. The portal is in your daily grind. Focus on health and ritual. Harness this by creating a routine that is Scorpio intense, but 4-4 solid. No more maybe gym trips. It's a vow now. Sagittarius is hitting your 5th house, the joy blueprint. The fire is in your creativity. You need to focus on serious play. Harness this by taking your hobby and treating it like a vocation. The 4-4 energy wants to see you manifest your art into the 3D world. Capricorn is hitting your 4th house, the roots renovation. You are the king of this energy. It's in your home. Focus on emotional foundations. Harness this by literally cleaning your house or setting a hard boundary with family. Make your sanctuary unbreakable. Aquarius is hitting your 3rd house, the voice box. The portal is in your mind. You need to focus on communication. Stop the word salad and speak in declarations. Harness this by writing your sovereign vows and reading them out loud. And lastly, Pisces is hitting your 2nd house, the wallet wake up. The portal is in your self-worth. Focus on money and value. Harness this by raising your vibrational price tag. Stop accepting discounts on your soul, my love, or your services. Now, everyone, since 4 is the number of the foundation, tell me, what are the 4 cornerstones of your life that you are refusing to compromise on anymore? Think peace, passion, power, etc. Drop them in the comments below. Happy 4/4 portal, people. Today isn't just a vibe, it's a blueprint. While Aries season is lighting the fire, the 4/4 energy is building the fireplace. Stop dreaming about your empire and start pouring the concrete. Stability is the ultimate power move.